Alex was a foster kid with no family left. He lived by himself in a rundown trailer on the outskirts of a small town. He had no mom or dad, no relatives, and barely any groceries. Folks in town either looked right through him or gave him a hard time. Still, every single day he hustled, doing odd jobs to get by. Sometimes he earned a few bucks or a meal. Sometimes he came up empty. Even though his situation was tough, Alex held on to one thing inside. He talked to God in plain English. God, I'm not asking for much. Just please don't forget I'm here. One afternoon, Alex worked all day for a stern farmer named Mr. Carter. Under the blazing sun, he hauled lumber, fetched water, and carried heavy grain sacks. At day's end, he got a small bag of groceries. To him, it was a fortune. On the walk back, a group of older boys cornered him. They joked around, shoved him, and tossed his food into the dirt. Alex felt worthless and crushed. He gathered what he could with trembling hands. He looked up at the sky and whispered, God, I know others have it worse. But am I so invisible that you don't see me? Please give me the strength not to turn mean like them. His spirit was heavy, but he still chose compassion. The route home went along a calm river. Alex spotted an elderly man sitting on a boulder. He looked exhausted. Good evening, young man, the old guy said softly. Could you spare a little something? I haven't eaten all day. Alex looked at his bag, at the little bit of food he had left. He remembered his grandmother's saying, when you give from a place of love, you never lose out. Alex was anxious. His own supplies were scarce. But he wanted to help. He took out the best roll, brushed it off, and handed it to the man. The old man smiled and ate slowly. Thank you, son. You have a good heart, he said. Alex felt a warmth inside. For the first time that day, he felt a sense of dignity. The old man asked Alex to help him walk. They moved slowly under the sycamore trees. Then the old man stopped. He looked at Alex with eyes that seemed to glow. Alex, he said gently, do you know who you've been walking with today? With you, sir, Alex replied, with a tired old man. The man's face began to shine with a gentle, golden light. I have walked with you long before today. I was with you the night you cried yourself to sleep. I heard your prayers when you thought no one was listening. I saw every single tear. Alex felt his heart pounding. I was only praying to God, he whispered. The old man smiled. I am the one who has never left your side. I am your heavenly Father. Alex sank to his knees, tears flowing. I thought you forgot about me. No, God answered, placing a kind hand on his head. I never left you. You chose to stay kind, even in your hurt. And today, you helped me, when you believed you were only helping a stranger. Then God touched Alex's grocery bag. It became full and heavy. Inside was fresh bread, rice, potatoes, and fruit. What you give in love, God said, I will return to you multiplied. Alex walked home with a full bag and a heart full of peace. From that day on, people noticed a new light in him. Good-hearted people stepped up to help. He learned a trade, found steady work, and went to community college. Life still had its challenges, but he never felt alone again. Every time he walked by the river, he remembered the spot where God walked with him, right there in his American hometown. Alex's story is for you, too. Maybe you feel overlooked. Maybe your struggle is real and your bills are piling up. Maybe you're always the one giving, and you're running on empty. But remember this. God sees your compassion. He witnesses your quiet struggles and your silent tears. He multiplies what you offer with a loving heart. You are never walking alone. Sometimes God shows up not in flashy miracles, but in a weary stranger, a quiet moment by the river, or a simple choice to do the right thing. Your kindness matters. Your heart matters. And one day, doors will swing open where you once saw only dead ends.